It's a rev your engine. Are you ready? Shoes are on. We're going to be doing some interval marching like we did last week. I think that's a good option. And what I want you to focus on there is the different speed at which you're going to march. Okay? That's the focus. So it's going to be low impact cardio. You will need two weights. You just saw me move them out of the way. For the upper body, pick something challenging for the upper body. And you will need a wall that you can stand against. That's my wall back there. Without anything like, hitting your head. It's not crazy. It's not like you need to have your head against the wall. But I think that will help us with alignment, which is why we're going to use the wall. Towel, some water. And let's get going. It's a cross training day, so start up your heart rate monitor if you've got one. Pick something like cross training. If you'd like to break it up and do cardio and then strength training, you can do that. Like I always say, I never remember. So I just set it and done. Stand it up for me, please. It's a silent training day, which means there is no music. If you want some music on your end, you can. But what I want to prove to you is, how many years have we been doing this now? We can work out without music, like we don't even bat an eyelid. I remember when I was in the classroom and we had no power and people would be like, I gotta go home. Look at us here. All right, stand nice and tall for me, please. Legs hip width apart. Give me a nice big inhale. Tilt your head back to look at your hands as they touch and exhale. Now think about lifting and lowering the shoulders. Let's do that again. Same thing, tilting the head, but lifting the shoulders to the ears, and then exhale, dropping the shoulders. Good. Now this time we're going to lift it up. Take a look. Lift the shoulders, hold it there. Keep the head back for 3, for 2, for 1. Now take your eyes to me. Good. Separate the hands. Spread the fingers, middle finger pointing straight to the ceiling. Nod yes with your head. Nice big movement with the head here. Now I want you to think about spreading the shoulders and pulling them down. Good. Bring your head back to neutral. Nodding your head no. We're activating. So spread the fingers really wide. So it's almost taking effort to spread the fingers. And that's going to help increase the heart rate. Beautiful. And exhale. Bring the hands back down. All right. Start marching. Forgot to start the clock. There's always something I forget to do, isn't there? Isn't there? Good. Now, so a nice easy march. I want you to move your hands, okay, and your feet. Good. There we go. Clock started. I want you to be 1 minute right here. So now's the time where I think I want you to kind of wiggle the body, and I want you to kind of feel anything talking, anything saying, I need you to stretch, I need you to this, I need you to that. I didn't like how you slept. I didn't like how you sat down yesterday. Anything saying anything like that? Pay attention to those areas. Be kind and patient with those areas. And we're going to deal with them in about 30 seconds. Nice, easy march here. Nothing too crazy. Try and move around on your mat, forward and back. You don't have to stick to one spot. You can left and right. And you're just playing around. Good job. All right, let's do some dynamic stretches. Right knee into the chest and then the left knee. Your pace. You can do it at my speed or a little bit faster or a little bit slower. You want to pull and stretch. One more time each side. Good job. All right, just shake out those legs. Heel to butt. Right heel to butt to begin. Both hands reach back. Pull that knee. Let me show you from the side. Now for the left. Do you see how I pull the knee back, push the belly forward? Good. Just getting a little bit of a chest stretch here because I'm pulling those hands. Get a little bit of rectus stretch here as well as my quads. Beautiful. Hard to balance. Bend the knee a little bit more of the standing legs. All right, just shake it out. Clasp the hands for me, push down, lift the chin. So you want to spread the shoulders, pushing down, good. Bring the hands up to shoulder height, and now push the hands forward, round the back. Head in neutral. Now lift the hands up over the head. Pull the shoulders up into the ears. Excellent. Shake it out, march it out. Now this time, I want the march to be a little bit quicker than comfortable. Yeah? We're going to play around with that speed. So remember, you want to challenge yourself here. Okay? So while we're working out, I want you to think about how fast you can march, how relaxed you can march. We're going to kind of go up and down. Do some intervals there. Show you that you can get that heart rate up without any hopping or jumping. Give me another 15 seconds here. So let's speed it up a little bit more. Something you have to focus on to get the speed right. There's like a natural gait we all have. I want you to push out of that. Excellent job. Take it out. Legs nice and wide. Turn the toes out slightly. Give me nice big hip circles. Bend the knees. Maybe bring those hips a little lower. Straighten the legs. Maybe bring those hips a little higher. And let's go to the other direction. Bend the knees. Bring a little lower. Play around with it. Come a little higher. Straighten those legs. Excellent job. Heel toe the feet in a little bit. Hands above the knees. Give me a little cat-cow. Look at it from the side. If you want to go a little deeper into the cat-cow, you can bring your elbows above the knees instead of your hands. Excellent job. Stand tall. All right. Now I want you to get into this like almost a jog. Come on. 1 minute. Last bit of your warm-up. Almost a jog. Pump those arms. Now I know when we start doing this, we turn into like prehistoric, you know, because we start being little T-Rexes and we keep those hands real close. No T-Rexes in the house. Move those hands for me, please. Come on, move those hands. Let's go. Move, yes, get them off the hips. Yeah. Come on, like Cinderella running to the prince. You know how she goes up the steps? She doesn't go up the steps like this. Yeah? Or when she's running from the prince. She definitely ain't walking down the steps like this. You know, she's like a hustling. I want you to hustle. Excellent job. There's your 5-minute warm-up. It's a little bit more because I'm going by the clock and I started it late. Shake out those hands. Shake out those legs. And now pay attention to that part of the body that you thought of in that first about minute. Yeah, shake it out, stretch it out. Whatever. Do what feels right to that part of the body. Nobody's doing anything. You all look, okay, thank you. One person swinging the legs. Everybody looking at me like, okay, let's start. Okay, so I'm assuming nothing spoke to you. Excellent, excellent. I'm here. We're going to start in about 20 seconds. Okay, we are going to start with the interval marching. All right, 10 seconds. Cheers to Rev. Here we go. Okay, come back to me, legs hip width apart. Really big. I want the knees to come as high as possible. So the march is quite slow, but the movement is very large. Notice how my knees are coming past my hips, almost to my chest. Your hands are not on your hips. You are using them to help increase the heart rate. Come on. I was going to say increase the heart rate of the heart, but only the heart has a heart rate. Come on. Let's go. 1 minute. Really big. Really big. Lift. I can't see those knees. A little higher. Hands off the hips. Hands off the hips. No matter how many times I say it, I'm still seeing it. Hands off the hips. This is hands on the hips. This is hands off the hips. That's it. 10 more seconds. Come on. All right. That's really good. Now I want 1 minute where the movement is going to be really small but fast. Look at my hands. Look at my hands. Okay, so I said no T-Rexes. I don't see any T-Rexes, but I see daddy long legs. Come on. Come on. Come on, really fast. It's almost like you're about to start running. Come on. 1 minute. 1 minute. Now, lift the chest. Head is in neutral, so make sure that your chin is not tucked. And you want to brace those abdominals a little bit, meaning you want to tense them up. 10 more seconds. And back to that original move. Are we ready? In 3, in 2, in 1. Slow it down really big. Try not to make the knee cross the body. Straight up and down. Look at my hands. They come to the shoulder and then all the way down to be at the side of the thigh. 1 minute. Come on, I want to see those knees. That's it. I want to see those hands all the way up to the, I'm saying the shoulder, and some people are like this. This is not your shoulder. Okay, I'm assuming yesterday was not the easiest day for us. And we're just like, look, I'm showing up. Okay, got it. Let's go. About 10 more seconds here. Come on. A little bit more rhythm. In 3, in 2, speed it up. Come on. Come on. Come on. A little bit faster. You want to challenge yourself here. Again, head in neutral. You want to make sure that your chin is not tucked, your chest is lifted. You're looking, moving forward. A little bit faster, come on, 20 seconds. We have 1 more minute after this. Let's go, let's go. Come on, push. Get a little bit breathless. 3, 2, high knee. Let's go. Now I noticed that some of us were, again, twisting. No twisting today. Nice and straight. Yeah. The other thing I noticed is that we had our hands up. That's cool, but what I would like is hand up and down. So that's an option for you. Yeah, oh, we like that. Okay, excellent. Now don't forget, we're driving that knee higher than the hip. So if you're struggling to drive the knee higher than the hip, maybe these are not the hands for you. We have less than 30 seconds. Come on. Straighten those arms above the head. Good job. And rest. First break of the workout. White drink. Okay. I want to encourage you that the hands need to go straight. Okay? Straight. So one of the things that can happen is if we don't move through the full range of emotion, okay, we can prevent that limb from ever getting straight. Cardio is a really good time to emphasize that range of motion because there's no weight, way less likely to get injured. So if that means you need to slow down to make sure you get your hand from here to here, it's really important. Okay? Really. Now, obviously, there are other medical issues that might prevent you from straightening your arm. But honey, if it's both your hands, I'm not so sure. But it still could be, it still could be, it still could be. All right, your time is up. Find the wall. We are going to be moving the leg. It's going to be kind of hard for you to see. Jeez. I need a wall right here. I need a new house. Oh, darn it. Okay. So we're going to be lifting that leg, straightening that leg, turning that leg out to the side as we're against the wall. So the wall is going to help us remain connected and nice and tall. So you want to butt all the way up to the wall, okay? So the back body is touching the wall. Now, obviously, the whole back body will not be touching the wall, but, you know, definitely, okay? Definitely, maybe, all right? Let's go. We're starting with the right leg. Can you see me? Oh dear, I can't see myself. Oh, well, let's try a little something. Let's see if this will be a little bit better. I'm gonna see all my work stuff, my desk. Okay, here we go. That light's killing it. That light's killing it. All right, here we are. Here we are. Okay, I think this might be a little bit better. Okay, so we're gonna start with our right leg. Let's lift it up. Hold it there. You're up against the wall, so I want you to think about pulling those shoulder blades to touch the wall. So the butt and the shoulder blades for sure on the wall. Excellent job. All right, keeping the knee bent, we're going to open and close it. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Keep that knee in line with the hip. 4, in and out. 3, 2, now here's the challenge. 1, bring it back to center, extend the leg. 10, 9, nice job. 8, 7, 6, grip the ground with that left leg. 5, 4, 3, 2, is your butt and shoulder against the wall? 1, good, take it out, hold it there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, I'm losing my balance. 4, 3, 2, keep it there, and extend that leg out to the angle. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Shake it out. Woo! As my dad would say, oui, mama. Are we ready? You got a whole left leg. Now, do you see how I've got some space there? We work out with what we got. So I'm going to have to scooch over. Here we go. 30-second hold. Lift that knee. Try and get the butt and the shoulders to touch the wall. I'm hoping that distance there is longer than my leg. You know, I'm a small person. I have like totally, no concept of how tall I am. Because sometimes I think my leg is way longer than it really is. All right, nearly that 30 seconds. We're going to open and close, come back, extend, open and hold, then extend. Are we ready? Let's go. 10, 9, balance, 8, 7, keep that knee in line with the hip, 6, 5, 4, come on, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Bring it in, extend. 10, 9, 8, hold us as high as you can. 7, 6, my knees are cricketing and cracking in. 5, 4, come on. 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Open it, hold it. 10, 9, 8, 7, shoulders and butt touching the wall. 4, 3, 2, extend for 10, 9, 8, 7, grip it with the right leg. 6, 5, 4, come on. 3, 2, and 1. Good. Walk it out. Oh. Oh. Okay, guys, that was your Christmas gift. Don't expect anything else from me. Walk it out. Walk it out. I'm going to put you back. We're going to be doing some lunges now, so you can walk away from the wall. Oh. There we go. I gotta make sure that when Christopher walks by, you don't see him in his caleçon. He's not wearing caleçon, I'm just joking. All right, stand it up for me, please. Come to the front of your mat. We're going to alternate, tapping the knee to the ground. I know some of you don't like this. Trust me, full range of motion, really good for you. Let's go. We're gonna come all the way to kneeling. 3, 2, 1. Come all the way to standing. 3, 2, 1. All the way to kneeling. 3, 2, 1. Come all the way to standing. 3, 2, 1. Number 3. 3, 2, 1. Stand. 3, 2, 1. Number 4. 3, 2, 1. Stand. 3, 2, 1. One more. 3, 2, 1. Stand. 3, 2, 1. That was 5. Now come to a kneeling, both knees. Good. Starting with the right leg only, we're going to do some UFCs. Now it's the reverse. We stay low. Are you ready? So right, left, right, left. Now if you need some help, right, left, right, left. Here's another option. Right, left, right, left. Whatever you need to do. This is number 4. One more. I know. Use what is there for you. Good job. Come to standing. Come to standing, that right leg. Now 5 more on that right side. Here we go. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Stand. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Stand. 3, 2, 1. 3 more. 2 more. I know. Come on. Do what you need to, even if that means using your hands. 1 more. Remember, I'm just a guide. This is not how everything has to look. Good. Legs hip width apart. 10 pulses at the bottom. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. We're doing it again. Come up for a second. 10 pulses at the bottom. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Come up. Do it again. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Hands off the legs now. 2. Come up 2 more times. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Come up 1 more time. It's 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Come up. Stay here. Don't move. Left leg. 3, 2, 1. Knee to the ground. 3, 2, 1 to stand. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 3, 2, 1 to stand. 3, 2, 1. Do whatever you need to. 3, I know. 2, 1 to stand. We now have 2 more. Let's go. 3, 2. You can do this. Let's go. Now, the only way you're going to get to do it is if you keep trying to do it, even if it doesn't look exactly like this. Stand. All right, now come all the way to kneeling, both knees. UFCs, left leg first. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. 3, 2. Options for you. Options for you. Options for you. Options for you. If you feel like you want to be a killer. Last one. Come to kneeling. Good job. Left leg up. Come to standing. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Come to standing. 3, 2, 1. Left leg only. 3, 2, 1. Come to standing. 3, 2, 1. So no momentum here. 3, 2, 1. That's why we're doing that pause. 2 more. Come on. 1 more. Good. Now, the pulses. 5 rounds. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Roll it again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Roll it again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. 2 more sets. 10, 9, 8, 7, 5. Come up. Do it again. Last time. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. We're not done. Find the wall. Same set of exercises on the wall. You got this. Trying to not get that window. Starting with the right leg. Let's go. Butt and shoulders touching. Are you ready? 30-second hold. Come on. Oh. 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 Please don't unmute yourselves. Keep going. I'm just unmuting. I'm just muting. When you unmute yourselves, you just become part of my video. All right, let's go in and out for 10. It's 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring it in. Extend. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Keep the knee bent. Take it out for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Extend to the side. 10, 9. We're done. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Shake it out. One more side. I didn't give you 2 legs. Left leg. Scooch over if you need to. Come on, let's go. 30-second hold in 3, 2, 1. Take it up. Knee in line with the hip. Notice how I keep that foot flexed. That way I'm working that lower leg as well. Okay, this is really good for hip flexor into quad. And then when we open it, using that inner outer thigh. Okay, 15 more seconds here. Shoulder blades against the wall, butt against the wall. Maybe your heel is touching the wall. Try and get that as close to the wall as possible. All right, in and out for 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, balance, 2, and 1. Take it in, extend. 10, 9, 8, 7, whoa, 6, hold it out there. 5, you're going a little too fast. 4, 3, 2, Now keep the knee bent, take it at an angle, hold it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 10 extensions, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Break it out. What did I see there? I saw you like rockets. All right, here we go. White drink, peeps. All right, we don't have much time. It's not a really long break. White drink, settle the body by extending the out breath. Pick up your weights. If you're not making that noise when you pick up the weight, you and I got problems. Here we go. Can't find a weight, cans of beans, bag of sugar, bag of rice, books. Here we go. Underhand grip. 3, 2, 1. All the way up, all the way down. 10. 9. Hey, 8. No momentum. 7. 6. A little bit slower than what we're used to. 5. 4. 3. 2. Now, all the way up, all the way down, and then all the way back up. Hold it here. Take a moment. Now it's not touching the chest. Good. Watch what I'm going to do. 10, 9, 8, 7. Squeeze the shoulder blades. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Overhead, let's go. 10, 9, no momentum. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring it down to the chest. Hold it here. Good. Now, rotate. Here we go. Up. 10, 9, 8. Keep the elbows above the wrist. 7, 6. Come on, elbows above the wrist. 5. Look at it, what it might look like. 4. Elbows above the wrist. 3, 2, and 1. Short break, put the weights down. Okay, guys. This is your elbow. This is your wrist. When I say elbow above the wrist, it cannot look like this. Do you see why? Because now the elbow is below the wrist. Yeah, watch, watch. Still below the wrist, still below the wrist, still below, in line with the wrist, above the wrist. Yeah? Now, you might not have the same range of motion that I have in my shoulders. I was a swimmer at the beginning of my life. Swimmers have a lot of shoulder ability. I also was a teacher, writing on the board like this, erasing the board like this. A lot of movement, like this. Okay, so upright row might look like this for you, and you cannot go any higher. Then don't rotate. Yes, we're not doing a clean. We're just doing the upright row. Keep the elbows above the wrist. Let's go. Pick it up, round 2. In 3, 2, 1. Underhand grip, no momentum. 10, 9, 8, you got this. 7, stand tall, belly in, chest up. 6, 5, 4, keep the elbows under the shoulders. 3, 2, one more, all the way there, all the way down, back up to the shoulder, don't let it rest. Open and close, 3, 2, 1, squeeze the shoulder blades, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Close it, open it, overhead press. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, pause, 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 pause. 2 more. One more. There and back. Hold it here. Rotate those shoulders. Upright row for 10. Lead with the shoulder. Lead with the elbow. 10, 9, 8, 7. Woo! Can't talk anymore. Are you saying finally? Okay, here we go. I think this is 4, maybe it's 3. I don't know. Give me 2 more. Give me 1 more. Everybody, everybody. Good job. Short break without a lecture. One trick. 1 more set here. If you're not thinking, how am I going to do that last set? You and I can't be friends. Just kidding. You ready like Freddy? Did I hear you say heck yes? Let's go. Underhand grip. Open it up. Do you see how it's totally opened up? Do you see how it's to the side of my thighs, chest up? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Bicep curl. 10. 5 more. Come on. Oof. Take it down. Take it back up. Open and close. 10. 'Take it in. Open it. A moment. Overhead press. 10. 1 more. There and back. Rotate through the shoulders. Upright row for 10. Lead with the elbow. Two more. One more. Put it down. Take a moment. It's okay if you're on your knees like me. A lot of the time what we see online is people who are perfectly coiffed and well rehearsed in the set, so they know exactly what weight they can do without having to struggle. I think it's important that you see struggle. Okay, that was challenging for me. It wasn't easy peasy lemon squeezy. Get something to drink. I was listening to, I guess, a therapist who has like an Instagram page, and she was saying how, like, you know, everything for us, everything. Oh, it's mental health is a struggle, you know, and she's saying like everything, we place everything like this, it's a crisis. And she's saying like, it's just life. People, I'm heading into, you know, my 50th, a month and a half. It's all gonna no, I'm just kidding. But I think it's important that we visualize, you know, things that aren't perfectly manicured, Botox, no wrinkles, you know, everything in place, no sweat dropping off the face, you know, no grunting. And I think it's important that we see that, because that's real life. Sometimes it sucks. Sometimes it's easy. All right, let's go into our march. So we're gonna start with a hustle. That means I want as fast a march as you can in 3, 2, 1. 1 minute here, let's go. We are almost done. So close to finishing. So 1 minute. So how much can you challenge yourself? How fast can you get it? What kind of rhythm can you create? It doesn't have to be perfect. It has to be an attempt. Come on. Hey, I've seen T-Rex now. No more long daddies. Come on, come on. We have about 15 seconds left here. Push. We're heading into a 30-second high knee in 3, 2, 1. Maybe you do the hand, maybe not, up to you. 30 seconds. All right. When we're done this, that'll be 1 round. We have 5 to go. So we're going slightly longer than the first round. In 3, 2, 1. 1 minute. This is round 2. Challenge yourself. Doesn't have to look pretty. Come on. We want the heart rate to go up. We want the breathing to get a little bit ragged. We want to challenge ourselves. Now play around with it. Maybe spin clockwise and then counterclockwise. Move forward, move back, side to side. Play around with it. Yeah, get those joints kind of having to stabilize. All right. We're going to slow it down in 10 seconds. High knee, 3, 2, 1. You want to drive that knee. Option with the hands. 30 seconds here. This is the end of round 2. Now notice how high my knee is coming. So we're allowing the body to recoup, but not to completely cool down. All right, this is the end of minute 2. We have 3 rounds left. Let's go. Hustle, 1 minute. Come on. The more you move those hands, the better. So if they're like this, they're not moving. Move them. Move them. Hands and legs together. 15 seconds left here. Come on, play around with it. Round 3, slow it down. All right, we're past the halfway mark. Come on, come on. Now's not the time to stop. Yeah, you are so close to finishing. You can do this. I know you're tired. Me too. Can hear it in my breath. 3, 2, minute 4. Come on. Hey, T-Rex. Hi. Let's go, come on. Move those hands down to the thighs. Come on. Hands and legs together. Together. 15 seconds here, come on. Push, push. Let's go. So, one of the fastest marathon runners ever is Kipchoge. And you know what song he listens to while he trains? What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. I mean, come on, right? Let's go. Come on. Last round in 3, 2, 1. Can you sing it? Come on. Just because you're alone doesn't mean you're lonely. Is that part of it too? Come on. I can't remember all the words now. Not that I ever knew them, I think. But come on. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Yeah? It's not a crisis. It's just life. It's just a workout. This is how it's meant to be. It's not meant to be free skating. Easy peasy. Come on, guys. You got this. 20 seconds. Ten seconds. 5 seconds. Finish strong with me. We have an additional 30 seconds. High knee, let's go. This is going to bring us to 12 and a half minutes of cardio. Yep. We'll have a little bit more cardio on Thursday. Let's go. Drive it up. Really big. Finish strong. 5 seconds left. And rest. White drink. Didn't Michael Michael Jackson sing a song about On the Wall, or is that the name of the album? I hope you enjoyed On the Wall. A slightly different variation to Better Balance Baby. All right. Let's cool it down. Come back to me. Legs wide, toes turned out. Nice and easy. Hip circles, any direction you want. Once you've done 3 of them, reverse the direction. Good. Really think about leaning back with your shoulders and then leaning forward. Good. All right. Come down into a deep primal squat. We're going to hold this deep primal squat. Heels need to be down here for about 30 seconds. Now think about extending the out breath. Ten more seconds. Really good for ankle health, knee health, hip health. That's why we get down on the ground repeatedly. Very good. All right, hands to the ground. You may lift your heels. Drop your right knee. Look at how I'm framing the leg. Left leg opens up. Good. Switch it out. Use your hands for support. Drop the left knee. Right knee opens out to the back. Good. Come back to center and come to all fours. However you get here is fine. Good. Right leg straight back, calf stretch. Right leg all the way forward, half runner's lunge. World's greatest stretch. Lift that right hand, open up to the ceiling. Twist the body. Now as you twist, try and get the chest as close to the thigh as possible. Excellent job. Frame the leg. Let's stretch out that hamstring. Come as low as you can. Flex that foot. Now I want your chest up, pushing forward. Chin up. Good. All right. Come back to all fours. All right. Let's stretch out that hip flexor. So push forward into up dog or cobra. Push back into child pose. Now at your own pace. But I want you to hold the up dog or cobra for 3, 2, 1, push back, child pose. Let's go. This time hold it for 5, 4, come forward for me, 3, 2, 1, come to all fours. Left leg straight back, calf. Left leg all the way forward, half runners. World's greatest stretch. Try and get that chest close to the knee. You have to pull the knee in, push the chest in. Frame that left leg. Flex that foot, come as low as you can. Now the top of the chest is pointing to me. Look at the difference. Take a moment, look at the difference. I don't want this. I want this. I want a nice long back. Excellent job. Come to all fours. All right, open your knees as wide as you can. Frog, stretching out that inner thigh. Push your butt back. Ooh, gets a little bit more intense for me when I push the butt back. Try and find that edge. Excellent job. All right, come into down dog. However you get there is fine. So your butt is up, your head is down, both your legs are as straight as possible. Maybe your heels are touching the ground, maybe not. Good. Walk your hands to your feet, come into a forward fold. Grab your calves, pull yourself down a little bit more, flatten it out. Bend your knees deeply, roll it up. Roll those shoulders up and back. Good. Stretch out the bicep. The shoulder. Good. And now just like a twist release. All right. Left hand. bicep, shoulder. Good. Clasp the hands, roll them all the way up to the ceiling. Pull the shoulders towards the ears. Stand nice and tall, lift the chest. All right, now lean back slightly. Hands to shoulder height in front of you, round the head, round the back, tuck the chin. Good, release the hands, shake it out. Stand nice and tall. 3 big inhales. In with the good. Be open to the good. Good job. One more big inhale. Look at your hands as they touch above the head. Prayer arms down through the center of the body. Place your hands against your heart, to the heart of the matter. Thank you so much for working out with me. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope that was a little bit different. Alrighty, let's see if my fingers can work to stop the buttons. Have a great day.